Click on Select. Color Range. Click on the eyedropper tool. On the image, click on an area where there's skin, in order to select everything in the picture that is skin colored. Click on Add to Sample. If applicable, click on an area of the image that is skin but is still dark in the color range preview window. The goal here is to get as much of the skin as possible in white while the rest is black, since the white portion is what will be selected. Move the fuzziness slider to get as much white as possible, while making sure that everything that isn't skin stay dark. Press OK. Right-click on the lasso tool. Select Polygonal Lasso. Click on Add to Selection. With your mouse, create a closed shape around any skin area that the color range selection might have missed. Click on Subtract from Selection. With your mouse, create a closed shape around any non-skin area that the color range selection might have included by mistake, in order to remove them from the selection. Right-click on the background layer, select Duplicate Layer. Name the new layer Tan. Press OK. Click on Color Balance. Move the slider in order to get more red and yellow. You can go a bit over for now since we'll reduce the effect later. Click on Opacity. Move the opacity layer until you get the desired level of tan. Thanks for watching. Please like if you enjoyed this tutorial.